Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're gonna talk about a huge Notepad app update in Windows 11, and that is the addition of text formatting. So basically, we're gonna be able to do basic text formatting in Notepad from now on. I think this is part of Microsoft's way of improving the Notepad app after they removed the WordPad app last year from Windows 11, and now the Notepad app is getting some of the WordPad functionalities, and of course, you're gonna be able to do basic text formatting as I've said in Notepad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get this new Notepad version in any Windows 11 channel and even on the main release. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So first of all, this new Notepad app is officially rolling out to the Insider channels, Canary and Dev, but as I've said, you can also install this and have this new feature even on the main release and the other Windows Insider channels. If you are on the Canary or the Dev channel, all you need to do is to go to the Microsoft Store, just open it up, go to downloads, and then click on check for updates. And from here, the Notepad app should be automatically updated, of course, with the other Microsoft Store powered apps. If you are on another Windows Insider channel, for example, the release preview channel, the beta channel, or on the main release, you're going to have to do the following. You're going to have to go to store.rg.adguard.net, which is basically a platform which allows you to get Microsoft Store packages from Microsoft. And of course, we're going to get the package that is designed for the Canary and Dev channels to be able to install it on another channel or on the main release. Of course, you're going to have this in the article below, but we're going to have to type on Google Notepad Microsoft Store because we're going to need the official link of Windows Notepad. We're going to copy the link from the Microsoft Store, then go into this platform, select your URL link, paste the Notepad link, and then from this drop down where it says RP, select fast, and then click on this check mark. Now it will get us the packages, and if we scroll down at the bottom, we should see the Notepad version that we need, which is 11.2504.52. Even the 5.0 version works, but it's better to have the latest version. So you can just right click on this, click on save link as, and save it on your desktop. Of course, click on keep. It's an official M6 bundle from Microsoft. And then if you double click on this package, of course, you're going to be able to update your app. In this case, I already have the latest version, so I'll just have to reinstall if I want. Now, these are the steps to install the Notepad app. On the Canary and Dev channel, so all you need to do is to go and search for updates on the Microsoft Store. On other channels, you're going to have to manually get the package like this and install it. Now, to have the new features, we're also going to need to enable a command using ViveTool. And for this, you're going to need ViveTool. ViveTool will also be in the article below in the video's description. Just get it from there and get it for your platform, for example, Intel or AMD. I'm just going to get it, click on it, and then you can open it up using File Explorer. Inside File Explorer, click on Extract All, click on Browse, and make sure you extract it into a dedicated folder. For example, in this case, in local list C, I have here a folder called Hidden Features. I'm going to select the folder. I'm going to copy the location because we're going to need it whenever we are running the command, and then click on extract. In this case, of course, I'm going to have to just replace the files in the destination, and we are good to go. We set a ViveTool on our computer. Now open up the search box, type in here CMD, and then click on run as administrator. On user account control, of course, click on yes. Inside CMD, type in first of all CD and then the location where you extracted ViveTool, and then the following command, which is ViveTool/enable/AD 41073112, and you should get the message successfully set feature configuration. A huge shout out to Phantom of Earth on Twitter or x.com for providing the ID for this feature. Make sure to follow him from the pinned comment below if you want to be up to date with the latest Windows 11 new features. Now, for you on this command, make sure you restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After the restart, if you followed all the steps correctly, if you open the Notepad app, you should have these new options on top, which will basically allow you to format your text. So let's begin. For example, let's type in here, this is the TechBased YouTube channel, and let's make this as a title. So I'm just going to select it, and from here I can select different sizes. For example, I'm going to select a title. Then we can also create bulleted lists, number lists, and so on. We can also make the text bold. For example, I'm going to make text-based bold. I can make it italic if I want. I also have the option to insert a link. For example, I can insert the link to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to type in here youtube.com/techbased and insert. It's going to appear underlined like this. And also, as you can see, whenever you click on an item that has a certain format applied, you can see that the options are a bit bluish, just so you know what text is formatted or not. And of course, if you select a text, you also have the option to clear formatting. As you can see, this is all pretty basic at the moment, but it's a good beginning, I think, because we can use this for basic text formatting with no issues. Of course, what I would like to see from Microsoft is the addition of font sizes, maybe text colors, maybe different fonts. That would be really nice. Of course, you can edit the font if you want, if you go to edit and then font, but I would love if Microsoft would add here the option to add different fonts for different words, different sections of your text. So I think this is a pretty cool addition for Microsoft. As I've said, if you want to have this on your computer, just make sure to check out the article below for all the step-by-step information, and you can also watch this video if you want. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. Please let me know below in the comments what's your opinion on this new Notepad app update. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you wouldn't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.